Hey, this is Tina the Outsider. Let's go to Burgess Falls State Park in Sparta, Tennessee. Alright. Hey, this is Tina the Outsider, and I'm here at the Burgess State Park in Sparta, Tennessee. So we're gonna see if we can find the waterfalls before it rains. Yeah. Van's all locked up. It's always a good idea to look over your van before you go anywhere, because I had my headlights on and I was a little crooked. So I fixed that. So I'm happy. Okay, alright. Let's go. Maybe. And it might be a good idea to follow people. Alright, so we have a path to walk on, almost a mile, and I went by the overlook and I took a picture and took some video. So we're gonna see what else we can find, see what else we can see. There's another overlook. Oh my goodness. Alright, there's little paths, like further over. There's a little bridge and a little walkway. It's cute. I don't know where it leads to. Because, is there a walk? There's probably a path right here. Look at No, I'm gonna stay on the path, but I'm just showing you. It wasn't wet and mucky. Yeah, there's another way you could go. Well, it's nice to get closer. To get closer. Yeah, to get closer. I guess I'm going on the top part of it. I'm not really sure. No. Thank goodness for benches, because I just walked up a really steep hill. Whew. I might be a little wet, but right now I don't care. It's real nice here. Looks like there's some more going uphill too. But I'm in Tennessee, where I always wanted to be, so I can't complain. I turned to go to the middle falls, so let's see what we see right up here. Alright, so I just went to the middle falls, so now we're gonna try our luck down here. I gotta fix my shoe. I'm taking it real slow. Yeah, so I can do. Ow. Oh my goodness. Alright, so now we're gonna go down to the base of it. Or we're gonna get pretty close down to walking by it. Not to the base, but walking by it. A lot of roots. I gotta be careful. Very big steps. Oh. Oh goodness. I'm saying goodness a lot, ain't I? I guess I am. Tree hugging. Yeah, tree hugging. Thank God there's a tree there. I guess here comes the steep part of it. Alright, so now we're gonna go down to the base of it. Or we're gonna get pretty close down to walking by it. Not to the base, but walking by it. A lot of roots. I gotta be careful. Very big steps. Oh. Oh goodness. I'm saying goodness a lot, ain't I? I guess I am. Tree hugging. Yeah, tree hugging. Thank God there's a tree there. I guess here comes the steep part of it. Alright, so I just came from up there. Oh. Yeah, wow. So now the climb begins to go back up. Alright, if you like this kind of stuff, make sure you like it, like this video, comment down below, and stay tuned for more videos from Gina the Outsider. Alright, see ya.